Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside YouTube Studio because only the uploader can change a video's text. Sign in, then open content and locate the exact video. This ensures you edit the right file. Once you click the pencil icon to edit details, the title and description fields become editable. Make sure you're on the Details tab. You can now remove the unwanted word directly from the title or description. This first action opens the only path to permanently change the visible text on your video. Now you perform the precise edit. Position the cursor and delete the word, then tidy spacing and punctuation so the sentence reads naturally. Because YouTube shows titles differently on devices, use the preview area or view the video page in a new tab to verify desktop and mobile appearance. Once done, check for accidental capitalization changes or broken links in the description. Make sure to keep any mandatory tags or branding text in. Finish by clicking Save. This triggers YouTube to update the public page, and updates can take minutes to propagate. After saving, open the video in an incognito window or on another device to verify the word is gone everywhere. If you still see the old text, clear your browser cache or wait up to 10-15 minutes for global cache refresh. If problems persist, re-edit and save again. Make sure you're signed into the uploader account while performing these steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.